Truffles, choconuts, choco chip cookies, cigarillos, brownies, chocolate Swiss rolls, ice cream. If all of these sound rich and decadent to you, then I'm sure today's recipe is just perfectly designed for you. But before that, let's examine what kind of chocolate lover are you? A famous brand of ice cream shares the name of a well-known mouse character from Walt Disney's. Name the brand. Well, it's Ben and Jerry's. Our recipe has been named based on a Walt Disney movie with a song titled We Don't Talk About Bruno. Name the movie. The movie is Encanto. If you were able to identify at least one ingredient from the video you're watching now, you have already passed our level 1 test and you may call yourself a chocolate lover. Hello chocolate lover! We shall be testing your level 2 skills soon. But before that, let's peep into what we got you today in the menu from Licks and Bites. Today, we are presenting you in Chocanto a la mode. It's simply a choco mess created with the readily available finest chocolate indulgences made available to you by the Cocoa Janes from around the world. The ingredients to this recipe are quite simple. Anything made of chocolate from around the world and a little bit of creativity to pull it off together as a 5-star presentation. That's it. There you go. We will be making 3 presentations for this recipe today, each varying in assembly and style. Let's start with the presentations. For our recipe, we need a brownie or a dense chocolate cake. Our brownie recipe is already available in our channel. You may refer to it with the link provided below. Or you may go ahead and use a store-bought one. Next, we need a branded vanilla ice cream. Homemade or store-bought, your choice. The first one is simple. A cup of vanilla ice cream, topped with a cigarillo and a choconut, and a piece of brownie to go along with it. Simple, neat and clean, isn't it? So chocolate lovers, it's quiz time. At the end of this quiz, we will let you know what kind of chocolate personality you belong to. All the best. Question number 1. What is a chocolate lover called? A chocoholic. A chocoholic is a person who craves or compulsively consumes chocolate. For the second or the classic presentation, we shall slice the brownie into half and stack it to the base. Top it with scoops of vanilla ice cream. Rest is all creativity. An Oreo to the top, followed by a few choconuts, and finally, what best could it be to pull it off in a classic chick style with a wicked hat made of chocolate and cone. Isn't that classic? Question number 2. What is the Latin name for chocolate? Theobroma cacao. The Latin name for chocolate is Theobroma cacao, meaning the food of the gods. And for our third and finale presentation, let's mash up some brownie with a few scoops of vanilla. Question number 3. How do you say chocolate in Japanese? Chocorito. Question number 4. The chocolate chip cookie recipe was created by a woman named Ruth Wakefield. She sold the recipe to this company for a lifetime of chocolate supply. Who wouldn't, right? Name the company. It's none other than Nestle. Few chocolate chip cookies crumbled to add texture to the recipe. The word chocolate originated from the Aztec word Zocotl, which refers to A. A bitter spicy beverage made from cacao beans. B. Bitter water. C. All of the above. And the answer is all of the above. That would be our base, followed by a generous scoop of vanilla. The chocolate cigarillo goes in next, followed by the choco Swiss roll. An Oreo, a choco cone, and a few nutties to go next. A shower of few chocolate chip cookies to make it look rustic. Less is more, but this is a chocolate lover's delight. A truffle to go in last and to make it look rich. Isn't that a beautiful mess? Doesn't that look deconstructed? Wow! Here, this is Hafsa from Licks and Bites presenting you Enchocanto a la mode. When you got everything handy, why spend $1 million on it? Next time, check in Licks and Bites for more such ideas. Question number 6. Apart from dark chocolate, white chocolate and milk chocolate, there is a fourth kind of chocolate made with white chocolate that is slowly toasted in the oven. This is very rare and not known to most people and is known as blonde chocolate. Question number 7. It is a new type of chocolate and is the brainchild of Swiss confectionery company Paris Caribou. Name it. The ruby chocolate. Question number 8. Name the chocolate brand created in 1941 as a means for soldiers to enjoy chocolate without it melting. M&M's. And do let us know if you enjoy such quizzes in the future. Tap in S if you like it. Question number 9. Invented during World War II when an Italian pastry maker mixed hazelnuts into chocolate to extend his cocoa supply. Any guesses? Nutella. Question number 10. The French call chocolate as chocolat, while the Italians call it Chocolato. Well, viewers, it's time to unfold your chocolate personality mystery. There you go. So folks, comment us your scores with the country or city you're watching from and the type of chocolate personality you belong to. Signing up, this is Hafsa with Enchocanto a la mode.